Good afternoon. Good
All are ready to party!
Yes, today is a Hollywood Studios day, which I feel like we unfavourably critiqued in the past on our last trip because we weren't going at the right times, we weren't doing the right thing, so instead we decided to go in the afternoon for the evening because apparently the ride queues are much better then. So that's what we're going to do today. It was a bit cold this morning, like really cloudy, but the sun's come out now and it looks like it's going to be a lovely day. Last night McDonald's,
terrible.
it was, they didn't have
There
the
was
pasta.
a cockroach on the floor.
There was a cockroach.
That literally says it all.
There was a cockroach on the floor as well. But yeah, we couldn't basically order the pizza or the pasta because they obviously didn't do it that late because it was like midnight by the time we got there. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no, it's going away. Yeah, so we couldn't actually have any of the menu items that we couldn't get in the UK. Dan had like a bacon ranch burger, I think, or like a double bacon burger, which I think you can get in the UK, and then I just had a cheeseburger and we shared fries. So yeah, it wasn't as exciting as we hoped it was going to be, but we've done it now. We can tick that off the list of something that we've done. Exactly. But yeah, Hollywood Studios, baby, let's go.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Oh, she's snitching. That was the guys that was just next to us. Someone was snitching, but we don't care because we're at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Here we go, first time riding it in Orlando. As you can see, Dan's making a beeline. You would think he's really keen, but he's actually not.
Yeah,
also, do you recognise this fleece, guys?
Yeah, maybe
it's not even that cold.
When you get something new and you're not wear it, you have to do it.
It's all getting a bit spooky in here. We just grabbed a couple of drinks. Dan's got a frozen cappuccino with caramel and I got a frozen strawberry and lemon like slush drink just at the little Joffrey's kiosk outside Tower of Terror, which was so fun. So good. Even Dan loved it and he's scared of lifts.
Yeah, no, it's great fun.
So fun and much more like in there than Paris as well when it moves through. Yeah, it was great. We've just come to Backlot Express because I wanted to try this Wookiee cookie that I've seen AJ on Disney Food Blog talk about all the time, and the cast member gave us a free cupcake which is really cute, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean the reason is because obviously the
oh yeah, it wasn't random.
For no reason.
Yeah, it wasn't for no reason. It's because obviously I'm wearing bridal ears and I've got the pin on that she gave it to us, but I thought that was really sweet, really nice.
Get back to work before they deactivate you. Yes, absolutely. Hurry, they'll be leaving this house any moment. No, I don't feel sorry for you at all.
We just did Star Tours and I was the rebel spy.
Rebel spy.
We also did a cool new one we haven't done before that was like under the water with this creature. And it was pretty cool. And now we're heading to Galaxy's Edge.
Santa Batu.
One toe wraps in Docking Bay 7. So cool in here. It's our first time going in here as well. Just as good as you remember? Good.
I believe that my heart will go on.
Great. Enjoy the beautiful stylings of Daniel Shawley as we walk through Batu. Oh, you better be prepared. Here we go.
Yeah, very true. It's pretty wide, so. Are you ready? Get
loved it.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits.
Just came off Rise to Resistance. Dan actually isn't overly like...
Right, it's a great ride, but I wouldn't wait 2.5 hours.
Like me and Mum did, but I said, we said at the time, like, it's such a cool ride, we would have waited. But it says, so it says 50 minutes on there now, it says 65 when we queued, and we're out now and it's 6:26, and we started counting from...
55.
Yeah.
So that's the queue and the ride included.
So it probably took like...
Half an hour? 35 minutes?
Yeah, and even then it's like an interactive queue, isn't it? So it's not even...
Yeah, exactly. It's well good.
Yeah, really good wait.
Well.
And we are about to head on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Oh, sun blinding for the first time. Here we go. Stand by entrance. This way. What do you think? Is it okay?
Not bad, not bad.
It's about to
Such a nice, comfortable temperature in my fleece.
For God's sake,
Like the
please.
fleece Becca.
Me and Dan just did Terra and Terror because it was like a 20-minute queue, which wasn't, it was a walk-on, but Fantasmic.
Oh, yeah, it was good. It was good. I still prefer, obviously, the fireworks at the castle, but it was a great show.
Yeah, I thought it was really, really good. Really, really enjoyed that, especially first time viewing it. It was amazing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was good. And what else? I think that was it pretty much.
Tower of Terror again.
Tower of Terror again.
Although we tried to pretend we were asleep in the ride picture.
Yeah, I don't know how that went.
We're trying to
put
insert
it in.
it. Yeah. Oh, that'd be funny.
But I think we give Hollywood Studios an apology because we literally had such
we'll
a good
do a written
day today.
apology, but it was so much better than last time.
Yeah, we actually had an amazing
It was like
day.
33 degrees last time with not one cloud, so it's a bit different, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it was much nicer.
It's good.
We haven't done the Toy Story rides, and we didn't do Mickey and Minnie's, the ones we missed out on, but we're going to come back to the park again because we had such a good day.
Not tomorrow, but
yeah, so we are going to come back and do this at some point.
now
But
we're going to go to Red Lobster.
Red Lobster.
Got the goods.
Hello, hello, and we're back in the room.
Hello, hello.
As you have seen, we obviously didn't go to Red Lobster because it shut at 10 and it was like 9:30. It was taking about 20 minutes to get there, so we would have had like 10 minutes and we felt too bad arriving with like 10 minutes to order.
Would have been those people.
Yeah, so we didn't do that, which was actually quite handy because we've run out of water and like supplies for the room, so we did a Walmart supplies. So we did a Walmart run. I'm just going to quickly show you what we got before we eat them all. First thing up are these barbecuing with my honey truffle Nicki Minaj wrap snacks, which are actually peng.
Yeah.
Dan can confirm.
Don't film me, I'm not gonna have it.
Okay.
I can confirm they are amazing. They're making me want to do a wrap.
What kind of wrap would you do about those crisps?
I don't know, I'm not a good freestyler.
Okay. Maybe you're not the rap star you quite think you are then. Welcome to our haul. We've just ordered Buffalo Wild Wings. Okay, so what's missing from this is a pack of blue Powerades. They've already gone in the fridge. But here is a 12 pack of some bottled waters. We've got some nice rainbow Rice Krispie treats. These are great. In this bag we have some honey ham for the excellent sandwiches Dan has been preparing for us.
Oh yeah.
That would also explain the ciabatta.
The ciabatta.
The ciabatta. Dan also got as a breakfast option for some morning some lovely blueberry muffins.
Strawberry.
Blueberry muffins.
Jesus.
They look good. This is one for us to take home, and it's a hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. Another one for us to take home. This sesame sauce, P.F. Chang's sesame sauce. It's kind of similar to the orange sauce you get at Panda Express, and basically it's peng. So I had to bring that home. Crisps. Got some Lay's Wavy Original.
Nothing goes better in a sandwich than crisps as well. So.
Very true. Got some cheddar and sour cream potato chips. Just cheap Walmart ones. With some cheddar and jalapeno Cheetos.
Jalapeno.
That's that bag. Now onto the last bag. Here's another sauce that we'll be taking home, and I'm very excited about it. Vodka sauce. Vodka pasta sauce. And also the first night in LA we had a pizza with vodka sauce on it, and it was delicious. So this will also be taken home. Another sandwich filling here. We've got some sliced baby Swiss cheese. Now on some sweet snacks, we've got Reese's peanut butter bar. This is Dan's choice. Big fan of Reese's, this guy. And we've got some mixed M&Ms. Classic peanut butter and peanut. Also a necessity if you're in the parks and you just want a little chew. Some strawberry lemonade gums. Little chew. Some strawberry lemonade gums. In little cubes too, very cute. Now this was very exciting for me. Grape Sour Patch Kids. Sour Patch Kids are the best sweets probably ever, and grape is also the best flavour. So I had to grab 2 bags of those bad boys. We've also got, this was a sneaky one that Dan must have popped in there.
I chucked that in there when you weren't looking.
Some Jolly Rancher gummies, sour gummies.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what they're like. And last but not least, some wild. Buffalo Wild Wings. Dun dun dun. No. You'll make my heart sing. That's where I was going with that. Got some boneless wings here. We got sauce on the side, so we believe that is it. Got some Chipotle barbecue seasoned fries with cheese and a ranch dip, and that is it because we got 10 wings, and we've learned our lesson with this in the past. We order too much and we don't eat it, and then it stinks out the room.
Yeah.
So we're going to tuck into this, watching the Weather Channel as always, and just literally live the dream. Good morning. What's up? Good morning.